Take care.
See you.
Mitsubishi. Oh yeah. Roof floor. I don't want to get off these for too long because these might go run away. Oh, that one's just that one's not a separate service. We'll get a really quick view. Screw it. It's unlocked, so why not? I just hope those don't run off because there's only 2 running for like 20 floors. So it's kind of a wait. But hey, we got up, so that's cool. I've been having great luck filming stuff today. And look at that beautiful view. Anyway, let's go back down. This is at the Josephine. And how long are we gonna be waiting? This is not good. I just made a mistake now. I'm gonna be up here for a while. What's the dog park? We'll look around. Oh, little paw prints. We're just gonna take a look at shit. They have dogs. They're wearing hats because funny. Takes us right where we used to be. Oh, there's a sculpture of a dog taking a whiz. There's the helipad for that building. Those numbers signify the weight capacity. There's a bunch of buildings. I filmed some of those today. Oh, that's locked. Oh, we're gonna have to squeeze through. Don't report me. Anyway. There's a spectral alert, and we're still waiting on the elevators. All right, okay, time to look more at the view, I guess. Get a little bit of a tour. We got a barbecue area and a canopy. Sure is a nice property, I'll give it that. I wonder what that building is over there. That old one. And down there is kind of the area I was exploring yesterday. A lot of old stuff over there. And I think that building right there is one that had my iconic tents. If it's not that, then it was another one. And we're still waiting. Is it here? Here it is, perfect timing. Look at that. Now that's what I call good timing. All right, where can we go besides G? We can go to B2. And we're definitely gonna be stopping. As I said.